On Saturday, Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman visited the Srimantpur land port and seaport at Sonamura on the second day of her visit in Tripura. Likewise, she also visited various SHG organizations in several villages and observed the creativity of the members of SHG. The Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has arrived in the state Tripura on Friday afternoon for 2 days. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah and State BJP President Rajiv Bhattacharjee went at the MBB airport and welcomed her. On Friday, after the Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the newly established Custom and GST building at Netaji Chowmini area by cutting a ribbon. On Saturday, Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman visited the Srimantpur land port and seaport at Sonamura. In the year 2016, when Nirmala Sitharaman was a Central Commerce Minister, she had inaugurated this land and seaport on 6 January. After 9 years, once again on Saturday, Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman visited the Srimantpur land port and seaport at Sonamura on the second day of her visit in Tripura. She had a discussion with the higher director of the state while visiting the port. They discussed about what difficulties are there for the import and export through Srimantpur land and seaport. For that, they will bring out measures to solve the issue by making plans with the executives of Transportation Department.
माननीय वित्त मंत्री ने कल त्रिपुरा में जीएसटी भवन का उद्घाटन किया। तो उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि जो श्रीमंतपुर है जो बहुत स्ट्रैटेजिक लोकेशन है कि यहाँ पर लैंड रूट से भी सामान आता जाता है, पैसेंजर आते हैं और साथ में गोमती नदी से भी बहुत पोटेंशियल है कि इंडिया बांग्लादेश के बीच में ट्रांजिट हो सके, इंडिया के गुड्स ट्रांजिट कर सके, कलकत्ता से यहाँ पे आ सके और इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट में बढ़ावा मिल सके नॉर्थ ईस्ट से। तो इसीलिए उन्होंने यहाँ का दौरा किया और उन्होंने सारी फैसिलिटीज़ देखी, उन्होंने रिवर फैसिलिटी देखी, लैंड कस्टम स्टेशन देखा, इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट की फैसिलिटी दी और हमें कुछ आदेश दिए कि यहाँ पे कैसे काम बढ़ता है।
Likewise, Central Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also visited various SHG in several villages and observed the creativity of the members of SHG and had a conversation with them. Reported by Mausara from Sonamura, Chini Khorang.